We have many pathways in the School of Business, and one of them is probably the one you're looking for. We have degrees and certificates and even bachelor's degrees in many subjects. Our fields of study include accounting, and that leads to bookkeeper, full charge accounting positions, as well as we have pathways in what we call business technology education. And those are really the people who work in offices in any industry that are the people that are experts with software and are able to work with program managers and others to really be able to organize and execute on the digital documentation that's essential in our businesses today. We also have a human resource management program that is closely tied to industry credentials issued by SHRM. So if that is important to you, that you'd like to earn credits both towards getting an associate degree as well as earning or renewing your industry certifications, our human resource management program might be for you. We have a transfer business program. If you'd like to go on and get a bachelor's degree from a university in a business-related subject, you can do your first 2 years of that degree right here at LWTech. We have a transportation, logistics, and supply chain management program that is a specialty within business, but we all, during this pandemic, have learned the phrase and the field supply chain. We know all about what these things can do and what they mean. So if a ship gets stuck in the Suez Canal, we all know what that means to us now and how important supply chain management is. We have very close ties to industry in that program, whether it's Alaska Airlines freight, rail, trucking, shipping, customs. That program is taught largely by executives from these firms who come and teach for us part-time. And as a student in those classes, you're going to get access to a higher level manager for an entire quarter, the kind of access you'll never even get as an employee when you first start out. And you're going to be learning from people who are high up in those professions. We offer applied baccalaureate degrees as well, both in supply chain management and our newest baccalaureate degree at LWTech in entrepreneurship. That program is open to anyone who's earned an applied associate degree and now wishes to be their own boss, own their own business, or go out on their own. So please come and join us in the School of Business.